Don't be intimidated that you don't know as much as the next person. Everybody starts at the beginning, and we will take you step by step to the point where you're comfortable with the software and able to create your own masterpieces. Hi, I'm Marie Bard Curtis of the Quilted Poodle. Quilting is a blend of creativity, relaxation, and enjoyment. I founded the Quilted Poodle because I realized that some quilters had a difficult time blending the automation with the long arm quilting. I wanted to create an environment where quilters could come and learn how to use the software and pair that with their creativity in their long arm quilting. What's unique about the way the Quilted Poodle approaches training is recognizing that people are at different levels of expertise, but they can all benefit from the knowledge of what to do with the software. If you've had your software for 6 months, a year, maybe 2 years, and not felt comfortable enough to use the software, this is the place you want to be. We will show you how to use your software. We'll start at the beginning. We'll start with Power Panto and then build up to where you're in Pattern CAD and Quilt CAD, where you are designing your own designs that you will quilt out. But everybody starts at the beginning. So don't be intimidated that you don't know as much as the next person. Everybody starts at the beginning, and we will take you step by step to the point where you're comfortable with the software and able to create your own masterpieces. If you're not sure where to start in your quilting journey and you'd like to chat, sign up for a free 15-minute consultation, and we'll talk about what your quilting goals are and how we can help you achieve those. Explore our services for long arm quilting and services such as training in a group session or in a one-on-one training session. Our goal is to make every quilter comfortable with automated quilting. Contact us and we will help you unleash your quilting creativity.